Engines roar. Steel jaws spin madly. No mercy, no escape. Colossal logs are devoured, shredded to dust in seconds. You're not just watching, you're witnessing a monster at work. Welcome to the world of Wood Channel. At a job site in Australia, the Bandit 21 XP chipper is demonstrating its raw power as it tackles some of the densest and hardest timber imaginable, the kind of wood that challenges even the most robust industrial equipment. A large grapple loader carefully lifts a massive log with thick, tangled branches and slowly feeds it into the intake chute of the running chipper. The moment the wood touches the feed rollers, the razor-sharp steel blades inside the Bandit 21 XP roar to life, beginning their relentless work, slicing, smashing, and grinding the bulky timber into neat, uniform wood chips. The sound is intense, metal against hardwood, loud and powerful. Each rotation of the blade is a decisive, unstoppable strike. The chipper doesn't flinch. Within minutes, the entire log, including its heavy limbs, is reduced to chips. The discharge chute sprays out the finished product, a golden stream of fine mulch tumbling under the sun, proof of the Bandit's immense capability and crushing efficiency on even the toughest wood. The Morbark M20 or wood chipper stands firm amidst the wild landscapes of Scotland, silent in presence, yet roaring with raw power. Like a massive steel beast, it devours round logs one after another, relentless and efficient. Inside, the grinding drum spins steadily, pulling in each log and tearing it apart into countless small chips. Light golden wood fragments are continuously blasted from the discharge chute, flowing like a waterfall of timber, forming an ever-growing pile behind the machine. It's a mesmerizing scene of pure mechanical force at work in the rugged beauty of the Scottish wilderness. The CBI 6800 CT horizontal grinder, a powerful industrial grinder, is operating deep within the forest as part of a biomass production line. Massive steel arms reach out like mechanical limbs, grabbing logs from the forest floor, stacking them into piles, and feeding them one by one into the grinder. As the logs enter, the machine's robust grinding system rapidly breaks them down into fine wood chips. These wood chips are then transferred directly into a large nearby truck, ready to be transported for further processing into biomass products such as wood pellets or renewable fuel. The Dobstad DH812 is working powerfully on site, carrying out its tree chipping mission with impressive efficiency. This is a specialized forestry machine fitted with a front-mounted chipper unit, forming a mobile wood processing system. Large rotating gears at the front spin relentlessly, gripping and pulling in massive tree trunks with mechanical force. As the logs are drawn in, the internal chipping blades immediately tear them apart into countless fine wood chips. Enormous logs, seemingly unbreakable, are efficiently shredded within seconds by the synchronized power of the rotating gears and heavy-duty chipper blades. The scene is a vivid display of rugged mechanical power and modern forestry technology in action. In a leafy backyard scattered with dry branches and fallen twigs, a man in work gear and gloves works methodically beside a compact yet mighty universal wood chipper shredder. Though small in size, this mini chipper growls like a mechanical creature, hungry for wood. The man steadily gathers fallen limbs, dry branches, even logs thick as a wrist, and feeds them into the spinning mouth of the machine. Inside, sharp blades spring to action, shredding wood with a crisp, satisfying crunch. Every log disappears in seconds, and to the side, a steady stream of fine golden brown wood chips pours out, piling up in a neat cone beside the chipper. Each chip falls like sawdust rain, forming the perfect mulch pile for compost, garden beds, or wood stoves. It's like watching a small miracle of engineering. A chore that would take hours with a handsaw now done in minutes with just a few movements. Efficient, powerful, and incredibly easy to use, this mini wood chipper is the ultimate backyard assistant for anyone serious about landscaping or garden cleanup. Before us is the high-capacity wood chipper Bandit 21XP, one of the leading machines in the wood processing industry. It features a wide feed opening, allowing it to handle large logs with diameters over 21 inches. A powerful hydraulic steel arm grips and feeds the log into the chipper drum. Inside, a high-speed rotating drum equipped with blades quickly pulverizes the logs into wood chips. The shredded wood chips are expelled through the discharge chute, ready for transport or recycling. With its robust build, easy operation, and continuous performance, the Bandit 21XP is an ideal choice for logging companies, green waste processors, and urban tree services. This is power and efficiency at your fingertips. The Bandit 21XP, your partner in every green project. In the middle of a lush forest, a green wood chipper is diligently carrying out its task. With its vivid green paint, the machine stands out against the natural backdrop, a sturdy symbol of industrial efficiency deep within the woods. Its engine hums steadily as the internal blades spin at high speed, shredding each log fed into it into fine wood chips. With every intake, a spray of wood chips bursts from the chute, scattering into the air, blending the mechanical roar with the subtle sounds of forest wildlife. The green wood chipper works steadily and tirelessly, a vital part of the logging operation at the forest site.
We see the powerful Eschelbach B-Bear 82 wood chipper in operation deep in the forest. A robust hydraulic grapple arm lifts a massive Norway spruce log, maneuvering it steadily toward the machine's wide intake chute. The internal drum chipper begins pulling the log inward, as the diesel engine roars steadily. When the high-speed steel blades make contact, a thunderous slicing sound erupts, clean, decisive cuts tearing through bark and wood. A constant stream of sharp, uniform wood chips sprays out of the rotating discharge chute, forming a fast-moving cascade. These chips are ideal for biomass fuel or the paper industry. The entire process is swift and forceful, showcasing the exceptional performance of the B-Bear 82, one of Eschelbach's most efficient mobile wood chippers.
Amid the roar of machinery and drifting clouds of wood dust, workers in bright orange safety gear remain focused and steady as they work beside the massive wood chipper. In tight coordination with the loader operator, they prepare and handle large logs tangled with thick, twisted branches, the kind of timber that looks challenging even from a distance. Yet, as each bulky tree section is lifted and fed into the chipper's intake, the machine stands its ground, motionless, unshaken, like a silent steel giant, calmly taking in the trees and reducing them into neat chips in seconds. Inside, the spinning blades hum with mechanical precision. In mere moments, the chaotic mass of limbs and bark is shredded into fine wood chips, ejected smoothly from the rear conveyor chute. Whether the chipper is stationed deep in a forest, beside a roadside, or at an industrial yard, it performs its duty flawlessly, without hesitation, as though no environment can disrupt its operation. For the workers, there's deep respect for the machine's power, but never complacency. Every movement, every hand signal is deliberate and calculated. They know that one mistake near this beast of steel could lead to serious consequences. In the whirlwind of engines, with dust and wind, what stands out is a sense of professionalism, discipline, and silent cooperation between man and machine.